For us normal creators, so everyone who actually had to purchase their products, today was the first day to receive the Sony a6700. I pre-ordered it and I'm very excited to have it here. Paperwork, of course. A strap. What is this? Tiny envelope. Aha! The eye cap. All right. And I think I'll have a visitor shortly. Hi, Kiwi. The NPF-Z100 battery, it's great because these are the same batteries that go into the A7R4, and I still have a couple of spares. What else is in the box? Well, I bought the combination because I am about to travel very soon, and so in this box also comes the Sony 18 to 135 millimeter. The perfect travel companion, if you're asking me. And in this combination, instead of $648, I had to pay about $250 less. Comes with a lens hood. And now we want to take a look at the camera body itself. This is nice and it feels right. Happy, happy. I want to give you a couple of reasons why I chose to purchase the Sony a6700, although I have the Sony a6100 still here at my disposal. Main reason, a fully articulating display. And that's better than I do on my YouTube channel. I sometimes struggle articulating myself, and this is fully articulating. Fantastic. Also, the viewfinder has about 1,000,000 dots more than the one in the Sony a6100, and that means that focusing, especially manual focusing, will be so much easier. The old Sony a6100 was an 8-bit camera and it was not great. Okay. All right, before my cat starts to eat this alive, I'll add the patch. Now I can record 4K up to 120 frames per second, 10-bit video, which is really great. I know that it tends to overheat after a certain time, but I don't think that I will exceed those times because it's really just for short vlogging sessions. Why would I need a vlogging camera when I have the Panasonic Lumix GH6? Well, the GH6 is 3 times the body weight than the Sony a6700. And that, when you travel, is a lot. On top, we have the best autofocus system built in the Sony a6700, where, when you remember my carbon tripod video, that was my review of the Sandmark Tripod Carbon Edition, the GH6 sometimes is a hit and miss. I love the GH6, it's a fantastic YouTuber camera and I will keep using it in my studio, but when I'm out and about vlogging, I think this is the perfect camera for me. I will leave an affiliate link in the description below if you use it to purchase a camera. It won't cost you anything extra, but I will make some money back, and that certainly helps me to purchase other products and to show you more on my channel. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.